The importance of having students maintain a connection between physical health, food and nutrition, and mental health. In this video, we look at the 5 reasons why keeping up our physical health is important for our mental health. A guide to the benefits physical health brings to the classroom is available for download at the end of this video. The connection to mental health. In keeping our bodies healthy, we are keeping our minds healthy, which keeps its connection to education through teaching and learning. Physical health in education can be one of many motivating factors when it comes to teaching and learning. In keeping our bodies healthy with the choices of food we eat and the exercises we do, we can greatly increase our ability to understand and benefit from what we are teaching or learning. We now look at 5 important reasons why our physical health and the choices of food we make can be ways to greatly improve our academic success in reaching our educational goals. Number 1. Healthier bodies make for healthier minds. In order to stay physically active, you need to consider choosing the right foods and keeping your body healthy. Foods that keep us feeling fuller longer help to give our minds the energy it needs to stay focused on our teaching or learning goals. These foods come from the 4 main food groups: fruits and vegetables, whole grains, meats and protein, and dairy. Many health professionals will tell you that food is fuel for the body. It is this fuel that helps keep our bodies healthy and our minds ready to gain knowledge and opportunities in reaching our educational goals. Number 2, physical exercise improves motivation. There are plenty of scientific articles to prove the point that physical exercise really benefits not just the body, but the mind as well. The next time you are feeling overwhelmed with what you need to do, then consider taking a break and doing some simple physical activities like going for a walk or run, or a little yoga to help clear your mind. You will find new energy and motivation as signs you are ready to tackle what you need to do once again. Break times and sports classes are a necessary part of education, and unfortunately sometimes these are seen as privileges that students may lose in order to make up for work they missed. Instead of having students associate physical activity with punishment in either losing the chance to participate or exceeding the amount of physical activity, consider having eventful discussions about physical health around why good behavior is important to physical health. Number 3, strong physical health helps us stay focused. The focus we need when we are staying physically active is the same focus we need when we are learning or teaching. When you find you have no determination, motivation, or confidence with reaching your educational goals, understand that you are not able to focus on reaching those goals. It is important to have focus when reaching your educational goals. Find the time to go for a walk for some fresh air or quiet time doing simple yoga movements to regain that focus you need to stay motivated. Number 4. Improving physical health leads to better critical thinking skills. When we use physical exercises to help improve our focus, this can lead to keeping our focus in our minds as well. Number 5. Strengthening physical health helps with communication. We understand that when we play physical sports as teams, we need to have good communication skills to become successful as a team. This same logic applies to using good communication strategies in the classroom that makes teaching and learning a more enjoyable experience for everyone. Final thoughts. Physical health in education plays a vital role for helping students with their learning and staying motivated. This in turn makes it easier for teachers when teaching their lessons. Students and teachers can stay motivated with journal writing. Therefore, consider visiting Promptly Journals to view their wide selection of journals for every situation. Join the EduKitchen community today. At the end of this video, sign up to get your copy of our physical education guide and more from EduKitchen Recipes for Learning. For more educational videos from EduKitchen Recipes for Learning, please like, share, and subscribe to EduKitchen Recipes for Learning. Check out our other videos in our Mental Health in Education series where we look at important topics in bringing mental health awareness to the classroom. And until next time, keep learning and have fun. Thanks for watching.